Asphalt. It's the material used to pave our roads. It's estimated that there are tens of millions of miles of paved roads on Earth. Given the number of roads and all the maintenance and repairs they need over time, it's no surprise that asphalt is one of the most recycled materials on the planet. There are many reasons asphalt is commonly used in the construction and maintenance of roads. A lot of it is related to its low overall cost, but in many ways, the material is perfectly suited for our roads. Most often, it's used as a part of a mix, along with rocks and sand, to create asphalt pavement. In these instances, asphalt acts as a sort of glue, binding the materials together. Asphalt pavement is the most commonly used material for the surfaces of paved roads. It provides great traction for tires, is somewhat quiet to drive on, and takes a relatively short amount of time after it's set before it's ready to use. But one particular quality of asphalt pavement makes it the de facto material for roads around the world. It's comparatively easy and cheap to produce. That's because a large amount of the asphalt used can be recycled. In its base form, it's a sticky black substance called bitumen, a form of petroleum found in natural deposits. Due to its oily composition, bitumen is also resistant to water. This makes it a popular material for use in embankment dams and for general waterproofing. Trinidad's Pitch Lake is the largest natural asphalt deposit in the world, containing approximately 10 million tons of raw material. But not all asphalt is extracted from deposits. It can also be produced as a byproduct of petroleum refining. In addition to its role as a byproduct of petroleum production, it can also be used to produce petroleum via the use of oil sands. Adding to its accessibility, asphalt is also commonly recycled. In the U.S. alone, 80% of the asphalt pavement removed during road projects is reused for future projects. Of the nearly 100 million tons of it reclaimed or produced each year, 95% is eventually repurposed or reused in some way. Despite the abundant global supply of asphalt, it makes a great deal of sense to recycle it. Asphalt recycling utilizes many waste products that would typically be sent to the landfill. Tire rubber, slags, glass, foundry sand, and even pig manure are incorporated in the mixture, saving large amounts of space in our landfills. Asphalt recycling also drives the overall cost of road construction and repairs down significantly. It can provide a profit or savings potential of $30 to $80 per ton, depending on the combination of ingredients used in the process. These cost savings mostly come from the decreased usage of newly extracted fossil fuels for these projects. By reusing recycled asphalt, road developers in the U.S. are able to save millions of dollars in costs and taxpayer money. The practice of recycling began in the U.S. during the OPEC oil embargo of the 70s. The oil shortage meant huge costs to produce asphalt, and road developers needed to find a way to source the material. Recycling was the natural solution, and the industry hasn't looked back since. Recycling asphalt isn't just cost-effective, it's sometimes just simply better. It can result in stiffer asphalt pavement that's less prone to cracking and rutting. Perhaps the best part about it is that asphalt can be recycled over and over again. The wide adoption of recycled asphalt throughout the construction industry is a good sign. It's just one of the many proactive measures the construction industry is taking to reduce its environmental impact.